Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. If you have saved your passwords in the Brave browser, you can add an extra layer of security by requiring Windows Hello before Brave fills your saved passwords. This means you can use your Windows Hello PIN, Fingerprint or another supported Windows Hello authentication method to verify your identity before a saved password is automatically filled. In this video, I will show you how to protect your saved passwords in Brave browser with Windows Hello on Windows 11 and Windows 10. So let's get started. First, launch the Brave browser on your Windows PC. Now click the three-line menu in the upper right corner and scroll down. Then select Settings. In the Settings page, click the Autofill and Passwords and then select Password Manager. Here you can see your saved passwords in Brave. To enable Windows Hello protection, click on Menu in the left sidebar and select Settings. Now look for the option Use Windows Hello when filling passwords. On Windows, Brave uses Windows Hello for this security feature. Turn on the option to require Windows Hello when filling passwords. Windows Security will now ask you to verify your identity. Depending on how Windows Hello is configured on your computer, you may be asked to enter your Windows Hello PIN or use your fingerprint or another supported authentication method. Complete the verification. Once enabled, Brave will require authentication before it fills a saved password on a website. For example, when you open a website where you have a saved login, when you click the username or password field, Brave can offer the saved login information. But now, before Brave fills the saved password, Windows Hello will ask you to verify your identity. You can enter your Windows Hello PIN or use your fingerprint. After successful verification, Brave will fill the saved password. This is useful if you share your computer with someone else or if you want an additional layer of protection for your saved browser passwords. Without this protection, someone who has access to your unlocked Windows session could potentially use saved login information in your browser. With Windows Hello enabled, Brave adds another authentication step before automatically filling the saved password. If you want to disable this protection later, simply return to Brave Password Manager setting and turn off the Windows Hello authentication option. You may need to verify your identity before changing the setting, and that's how you can protect your saved passwords in Brave browser using Windows Hello on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the GearUpWindows channel for more Windows 11 and Windows 10 and browser tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.